off to dinner at Back Bay Grill.
Tonight we're walking to dinner in the dark. Down the same little street. It does look a little different in the dark. It's pretty dark. This seems to be the city center. It's a little shop. Back Bay Grill is located at 65 Portland Street, and it took us about 15 minutes to walk. While most of the walk was pleasant, we did go through a few questionable spots, so my advice would be to take an Uber. Back Bay Grill is a charming restaurant with an excellent dinner selection. We were, however, seated 6 inches from a very loud and a very large family, so filming was a challenge. Just say thank you, move along.
Yeah, that's what I do.
They should be,
What?
It's our anniversary.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Kind of, not.
Sort of.
Kind of, sort of.
It's in the right.
It's the first anniversary of our first night in Portland.
Hey, free dessert. Take it.
Score.
Score. What are you doing?
What are you doing over there?
I'm having my 3 dessert night. A brioche donut, this caramel lacy cookie thing, and this ice cream that has this
Bourbon caramel sauce.
that's really good. It's really good.
Happy anniversary, baby. So we just finished a dinner at Back Bay Grill here in Portland. And we didn't film a lot during the dinner. We had a table that was very close to us, and so just out of privacy for them, we thought we'd better not shoot. So here's a little review. The food was really, really good. The wine list is okay. It's not great, but Chris, our server tonight, recommended a Failla Sonoma Coast Pinot Noir that was more kind of a burgundy Pinot, and it was excellent. This Carnes had the lamb, I had the lamb. We had a couple of appetizers that were very good, and they gave us happy anniversary desserts tonight. It's not our anniversary, but we got 3 desserts instead of 2, so woohoo! It all ends up good. I will say this, it's not in the greatest neighborhood. Don't walk there after dark. We did, that was a mistake. So we're gonna take an Uber back to the hotel, but I would eat here again. They've been open about 6 weeks after they did a complete redo of the inside of the restaurant, so I would give it a 8.5 out of 10 from a food standpoint. Mrs. Carnes, what would you think?
I'm probably gonna give them an 8. Just, I don't know. I really liked my dinner last night, really a lot. So
Yeah, well,
this was different, but I don't know. I'm gonna give them an 8.
Okay.
It wasn't bad. It was good. It was really, really good.
We're gonna call an Uber.
But I will give their
night.
donut. I will give
The brioche donut
the brioche donut
for dessert was
amazing. So I'll give the brioche donut a 10. It was really good. Get the brioche donut if it's available. Of course, it was a seasonal thing, so I don't know if it will be, but there was an apple cider donut with apples in the middle of it and ice cream that was really good. So yeah, the donut was exceptional, and it was a good kind of different kind of little dessert. places we can find. Blueberry patch. You're gonna have to really talk loud, okay, or they're not gonna be able to hear you.
So we tried to get into the rooftop bar down the street and they were full. So we walked another block down the street from our hotel to Deweys, which is the oldest ale house in all of Portland. And we're hanging out in here tonight with all of the cool kids, literally. We are old enough to be every single person's parent in this place, and I love it. I'm having a little Maker's Mark tonight to cap the night off, and Mrs. Carnes is having the Deweys Blueberry Patch, which I can smell it. If I was a bear, I'd be rolling around in that, I think. It smells very good. Ginger beer, not my favorite. Take the ginger beer out of it and I'll just drink the blueberry vodka.
I'm gonna say that at least I made it out alive from the walk that he took me on to get me to the fancy restaurant tonight. Yeah, we saw where all the homeless people in Portland
and a hooker
congregate. I saw a drug addict dancing down the street that smelled very much of marijuana, and we saw a hooker on the way to the restaurant.
It's the trifecta.
It was great.
Who loves you, baby?
Yeah.
Stick with me, it'll be an adventure.
Oh, isn't every day an adventure with you, though?
Noticing this over here?
Oh yeah, I'm watching. But are you watching? Of course you are.
You're gonna need a spritz here in a minute to keep it up.
I know.
So we've gotten a little attention from some of the people in here because we're shooting this, and we've come to the two conclusions. One, that they wish their parents were as cool as we were, or they wish their friends were as cool as we were, and we are. We just have a hell of a lot more money. So I forgot to tell you all what our rental car situation was here in Maine this week. So Mrs. Carnes and I are fortunate enough to be driving this. I think it's called a bootmobile. It's got a lot of headroom. It's waterproof. It's got a good sole on it. Traction's good on the ground. It smells kind of bad inside a little bit, but the comfort is worth the smell.